At JTG Systems, we have built a reputation for providing top-quality on-site computer repair services in the Niagara region for over 15 years. Our team of experienced technicians can handle a wide range of issues, from virus removal to data recovery to email troubleshooting. We serve both residential and commercial clients, and our services are available to customers in Fonthill, Niagara, Niagara Falls, Niagara-on-the-Lake, Pelham, Port Colborne, St. Catharines, Thorold, Welland, and all surrounding areas. When a computer problem arises, it can disrupt your daily routine and hinder your productivity. That's why we offer fast, reliable on-site repair services to get you back up and running as soon as possible. Our technicians will come to your home or office and work with you to identify the problem and find the most cost-effective solution. We can fix issues with PCs, Macs, laptops, and printers of all makes and models, and we always strive to provide the highest level of service and professionalism to our customers.